That's why abakholwa abantu mabatshela izinto uNkulunkulu athezenze. Because babona kahle badawo niphambene wena. Upha uNkulunkulu utheni? Uthe thatha yonke isalari uyinikela. Unga announce into zezulu ebantwini abaphuswa yinyanga. Unga announce into zezulu ebantwini abahamba ngenyanga. Khona izinto ezifihlwa. Khona into ezifihlwa. Amini Abraham uthatha umntana akatsheli noSara. Akatsheli umama umntana ke manje. Because ukhulumile uJehova. Mthe iworshipa umuntu owenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Akabuza intando yabantu. Principle number 3. Watch it now. When you get a divine instruction, don't look for human affirmation. uNkulunkulu ngakhuluma nawe, ungahamba ubuza abantu. Uyizwa kanjani? Hey man, umfundisi Sunday man. Lento ayikhuluma nomfundisi, uyizwa kanjani wena? Uvula umnyango we disobedience. uNkulunkulu ngakhuluma Sunday through umfundisi noma ungaloku ufanele uyizwa njani wena sikole? Uthi yiyo mara into kashawa. Uthi mara yazi Dr. Lee ministry mara somdala mara. Uthi yiyo into kashawa. Disobedience. Ezikamoya as discussed on abantu benyanga. When God speaks to the servant here on Sunday, if you hear God is speaking to you, you go home and you prepare what you need to prepare. Ubashiya abantu namadonke ekhaya. But uyaphi nebank card uthi salanda namadonke. Ngiyenge kaNkulunkulu ngiyoworshipa. Ngizobuya. Baba uphuma nesalary yonke. Yeah, ngiyoworshipa. Ayo phela amen man. Sengikhuluma Abraham man. Sengikhuluma ngawo. Uyaphela amen. Because ngoba yekhani click awuyoclick kusasa. And not Jehova ukhuluma before you click. UNkulunkulu has discussed about Abraham young from the church. You don't discuss divine impressions with people. When God speaks to you, you get up and you do what God says. If uNkulunkulu ngempela, uNkulunkulu uzoback up. Uzoback up. Well, we're in the Abraham. But now, this is the part. So, one, the word worship comes from Abraham's mouth. Number 2, he used it as a camouflage. Number 3, to teach me to worship. Watch it now. Worship is a personal. Aiko collective. Personal. In worship, uNkulunkulu akakhulumi nani, ukhuluma nawe. Akakhulumi nathi, ukhuluma nawe. I had to learn this principle as uNkulunkulu is introducing me into this line of ministry. You know, I mean, like uNkulunkulu is shifting me from singing now to studying the word and teaching and writing books. Then God started waking me up early in the morning on 3 XA. Peloton. And I used to wake up, in fact, and meeting uNkulunkulu man. Yes, ngiyazi mina sengihamba noNkulunkulu manje. Mina mangolo ngivusa ngo 3 XA. Ngihamba noNkulunkulu. And I put unnecessary pressure on my wife. Why wena ungavuka ekuseni? Amakhona avuka ekuseni. Early in the morning, we seek the face of the Lord. Lethi iBhayibheli uJesu ngavuka ekuseni aye endaweni yofuna ukusa uNkulunkulu. We are convinced. Mamela. uJesu bekavuka wena angavusi Peter. Exactly. Because uNkulunkulu uthe vuka wena. Akangathi vukani. So nakuvusa uJehova miyeke ongavuswanga. Ungavusa abantu abangavuswanga. Vuka wena uyi-one. Ungasifaki thina ku-worship yakho. Isikhathele uyi-one ingubo nge-winter. Uyokhala e-dining room. Ejona mawuphuma ngiyeke mina ngizidonse. While you worship emakhazeni, nami ngiyaworship ekulaleni. Ungangithwezi isiphambano sakho. That's why Abraham azangathi Sarah Sarah, vuka man. Yini baba sentabeni. So yenza entabeni uJehova uyabona. So uyayimosha manje because sekumele manje urelate i-message. Say second hand information. But in worship, God speaks in first hand information. When it comes to worship, le nto uNkulunkulu ayifuna kuwe akathumezeli. Uyazikhulumela yena. So, khuluma mntana bani. Uvuka. Izambulo ze-103. Uvuka. Abalala ngiyakushiya into ezikamoya manje. Sekunegap. Vuka ngibulele. Sekunegap. Khayiti gap. Vuka wena. Because ubizo lwakho. Before verse number 1. It came to pass after these things that God tested who? Not Abraham and Sarah. So ingawe lento. Ingawe. So uNkulunkulu makuthintayo ukuthi ninikele isala lakho yonke yelong weekend. Ungasifaki. And ungasanounceli futhi ungasitshili. Hayi bazalwane, you know this last month uNkulunkulu wangithinta. Kayinikela yonke. Yonke. Ungasitsheli. The camouflage. It must be between you. Oh goodness. So Abraham, now to worship, what did you mean? So when Abraham said we will worship, he did not mean I'm going to sing songs necessarily. And for the purpose of tonight's ministry, I'm going to balance the singing part. But the reason why I keep on saying it's not, is that first we capture what it is. So that when we do the singing from the right attitude. Amen. So I'm not saying when you sing you don't worship. But your singing must come from the right place. The attitude. So Abraham, we will worship. He did not mean I'm going to sing slow songs. This is what he meant. He meant I am going to kill what I love in obedience to the one I honor. Abraham, if they hear your worship, salana matoni, I'm full of landela like yakon. Because la yakon angiyohlabelela. Ngiyobulala engikuthandayo. In obedience of the one I honor. So Abraham is introducing a concept of worship. When you worship, something has to die. Ayabhayibhile worship khona into ekumele ife. And yinto yakho oyithandayo. So therefore worship is not complete until you lose something in the presence of God. So Abraham the church, worship is a bloody business. Mele kutheke igazi. Mele kube nobuhlungu. Oh my goodness. Actually Bible mathi uNkulunkulu uNoah ku Genesis 8 verse 20. Let Noah offered what he sacrifices to God from clean birds and animals, and God yazi into uNkulunkulu ayi akusiyingoma but now ubuhlungu obuzwayo wena mawubuye ukuthandayo kuNkulunkulu kuba umthanda so much you are willing to kill what you love so you can gain my approval. Nwakamnandi le nto leyo. I see your voice, your choice. So must worship uNkulunkulu uyadlula from the voices. Unuka my choices. Because if from Monday to Saturday you were making choices that says what you love, if from Monday to Saturday you were making choices on a daily basis that saves what you love, then your singing on Sunday is not a pleasing aroma. It becomes pleasing to God when you make choices, watch it, that inconvenience you for His glory. It's not worship until something you love dies. Because you can't, you really, you can't bear my worship. Masem worship uNkulunkulu. Ngiyibulala into engiyithanda. uNkulunkulu wenza. I'm going to close on these two verses. Buka verse number 9. Oh God, I love you. Before I go verse number 9, let me prove this principle in this bazalwane. Because this is where worship becomes challenging for the modern church. Yeah. Because the modern church doesn't want to give up anything. The modern church has become a church of convenience. We have become a church of convenience. 2018 in God opened the door for me to go to Hong Kong in Asia. Hong Kong and China to teach this principle. When I got in Hong Kong, I thought, Baba, I'm going there to teach them worship, this kind of worship. Gandungurungul has taken me there to teach me this kind of worship. I got to Hong Kong. When I saw the kind of worship they offer to God, I could not teach them this thing. Because I was coming bringing theory, but they are living the practical. I was so ashamed I couldn't teach him from this. I landed in Hong Kong Friday afternoon. Saturday night, I got on a plane back to South Africa. I could not stay until Sunday morning. I said, I think those are from this other. Labandu ba EP ale ntole. Mina ngayiphi angayiphilisisi. Ngisayifuna bona ba EP. Friday night after teaching, I said to the pastor of Hong Kong, then I just said to him, tell me about the religious status in Hong Kong. He said to me, actually, you notice we don't do announcements in Konzweni. But we don't do announcements because in our area, ukonza is not allowed. Actually, there are syndicates that researches lakhanga namakhola konza uNkulunkulu. And bese banobronda ama-bombs la. So amagama ukuya enkonzweni eHong Kong, it's a risk of life. I couldn't handle that. Ukuya enkonzweni is a risk of life. Akusindawo la uyoshowa office again. Yindawo la kune possibility you might not come back today. Yes. And that Friday night, isonto beligcwele ne-overflow mfundisi. Ngithi, so wait a minute, are you saying to me, bonke labantu laba abagcwele la, they came knowing ukuthi they might die tonight. But yes, that is our card, that's our reality. Ngithi, and still you come. Ngithi, forgive me, I'm an African. Man. I come from South Africa, man. Asikhonzi kanje thina. Nazi nina ukuthi kunebhombe engashaya ngisathi wena weduna manje ukuthi bhufu sife sonke.